Here is a Eskimo box fan, which was also known as the tetanus air box fan, that I uploaded on YouTube a while back. Well, it's finally restored. As you can see, got a checker plate badge, and yeah. And it does have feet now. So, yeah. I heard that this fan came off of a wood stove that was buried 2 feet underneath a bunch of pile of shit. And, yeah, it was pretty bad. There was some rust, really bad rust on the whole thing, but it was really bad on the one side. I think it was the side where the switch is. No, the other side. And we had to put Bondo on it to make it stronger. And there was a little tiny hole that busted through, so we put Bondo on it and filled it in. So, anyway. Oh, this is our makeshift knob that we made. But, yeah. Oh, and the speed plate for the speed control, the words for it are underneath, but I just wanted the chrome part shown because the wording on the other side's pretty gone. Anyway, we'll start off in low. And the front bearing was completely broken off the tabs. So I took the front bearing housing off, rebent the tabs back in, and it holds in place now. And it runs pretty good. It does shake a little bit when it's starting up. And this is a 1-speed motor, and it uses a choke coil on the switch. I think that's the back grill. Yeah, it is. Well, that's pretty good. Go medium. Oh, that's kind of fast, actually. And go high. Spin down on this is insane. Ooh, what's wrong with brightness? Well, anyways, that's it, and until next time.